yourself. You've got the future all figured out.